event is really to learn more about our single-use fermenters. We have customers here from 16 different countries across Europe and even from the US who are all sharing their experiences and learning more about our equipment. So we have a mixture of people here today. Some of them are currently using our technologies, but many of them are still evaluating the way they want their research to go and what is the correct technology for them.
It's basically a scientific exchange within the customers. So this platform provides that opportunity to the customers to sit together and then learn from each other.
I had the opportunity to do an evaluation of the 30-liter single-use fermenter in comparison with our stainless steel facility. So I came today to share my experiences with that evaluation and to see what other scientists have been evaluating. Our evaluation was only at the 30-liter scale, so getting the opportunity to see how the stuff scales from 30 to 300 liter within the single-use technology, and then comparing that to also larger scale stainless steel, and seeing that scalability and single-use to stainless data was very helpful to put our 30-liter demo into context.
Écoutez, j'étais très heureux de participer aujourd'hui à ce workshop. J'ai eu la chance de tester le SUF 300 litres en 2015. Je crois que j'étais un des seuls utilisateurs à pouvoir tester ce fermenteur en Europe. Et du coup, j'ai pu partager mon expérience avec d'autres utilisateurs futurs.
We are very interested in systems for bacterial cultivation. We are already using single-use bioreactors from mammalian cells, and to know that there were some systems useful for bacterial cultivation single-use was really attractive. We saw some information. They came to the place to show us some additional information, and we really found it interesting and as a real possibility to us in the near future.
I really hope that the customers, by the end of the day, they will really have a good feeling of the capabilities of the fermenter, what they can expect out of it, and really understand that it's very likely something that they could use in their labs and it could fit their processes, or at least have the idea that they could give it a try and see for themselves whether it's good for them, and I'm pretty sure it will be.